You can make $100,000 a year and still live paycheck to paycheck. This statement sounds wrong to many people. Section 1. The $100,000 trap. Earning a high income does not automatically make you wealthy. A six-figure salary is often seen as the finish line, the final solution to all money problems. It only gives you more money to manage. Without the right mindset and the right systems, bigger paychecks can mean bigger bills and a more stressful life. The number on your paycheck is just one part of the equation. What you do with that number is what truly matters in the end. Imagine a man named Alex. On the surface, he is the picture of success. He earns six figures, travels often, dresses sharp, drives a modern car. But inside, every month is a tightrope walk. Payments and bills consume his salary almost as soon as it arrives. This is the heart of the illusion of success, a trap that snares countless hard-working people climbing the income ladder. As paychecks grow, lifestyles expand, sometimes even faster. We mistake the appearance of wealth for real security. These visible markers feel like progress, but they can be lifestyle inflation in disguise, a pricier version of the same cycle. More money often amplifies existing habits. The stakes get higher and mistakes grow larger. Feeling broke is less about numbers, more about lack of control and options. True freedom isn't about what you spend, it's about how much you keep and what that money does for you. The illusion of wealth is powerful, but once you see it for what it is, you can choose differently. Money is rarely just about math. It is deeply intertwined with our emotions. We spend to celebrate, to comfort, to cure boredom, to belong. Constant comparison to curated lives breeds inadequacy. We buy status to feel like the image we see online. Insecurity drives image spending. The boost is fleeting. The debt can last years. Next time the urge hits, pause. Ask, what feeling am I trying to buy right now? Then meet the feeling in a healthier, cheaper way. Short-term thinking prioritizes comfort now over freedom later. Each choice seems small, until repetition turns it into a wall. We are wired to prefer immediate rewards. Marketing exploits this. Easy now, hidden costs later. We promise to start later. Later rarely arrives. Time is the most valuable ingredient. Small today beats big 10 years from now. See choices as short-term comfort versus long-term freedom. That impulse buy is more hours you must work. Say no to fleeting desires, yes to lasting security. Build the habit of choosing the future you want. Awareness breaks the spell. Intention sets the course. Discipline gets you there. Many high earners stay broke because they lack a system. If you don't tell your money where to go, you'll wonder where it went. A budget isn't a prison. It's a plan aligned with your values. Give every dollar a job and automate it. Automate savings and investments the moment you're paid. Let the system do the heavy lifting. Separate accounts for bills, short-term savings, and long-term investments. Order replaces chaos. Progress becomes automatic. Being rich is security and assets. Looking rich is performance and expense. The ego tax buys applause today and bills tomorrow. True wealth is quiet. It's the assets you don't see. Choose practical over performative. Every resisted ego buy pays your future self. There comes a moment when anxiety is too loud to ignore. Change begins with one quiet act: awareness. For 1 month, track every dollar. No judgment, just data. Clarity is powerful. See truth, then choose control. Create a simple plan aligned with your values. Discipline is a muscle. Strengthen it with small right choices. Over time, choices become habits, and habits become freedom. From chaos to control, from ego to security, from later to now. Transform your finances with awareness, systems, and assets. Understand, take control, build a secure future. Honestly assess income and expenses. Ask why you buy. Awareness is turning on the lights. Create a simple budget. Automate savings on payday. Good systems make the right choice automatic. A job pays for time. Assets can pay while you rest. Think low-cost index funds, rentals, or a small side business. Use your system's surplus to buy assets consistently. Wealth begins in the mind, not the paycheck. Freedom is options, not owning everything. Track 1 week. Automate 1 small transfer. Cut 1 ego-driven purchase. Learn 1 simple investing concept. Small, consistent wins build momentum. Choose to be a producer, not just a consumer. Value internal security over external validation. Most people don't stay broke because of income, but because of mindset. When you change how you think about money, your entire life changes. Wealth starts in the mind, not the paycheck. Soft. Freedom isn't about more money, it's about needing less.